How to update your email password on Android. This tutorial shows you how to change your Google account password directly from your Android device. First, open the Google app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Manage your Google account to open your account settings. At this point, you'll see a row of tabs at the top: personal info, security and sign in, Google password, and third-party apps. In the next step, tap on Google Password to open the password settings. Following this, you'll be asked to verify your identity using your fingerprint, face unlock, or device PIN before proceeding. Once done, enter your new password in the first field. Make sure it includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for a strong and secure password. From here, enter the exact same password again in the Confirm Password field. Finally, tap Change Password to save your new password, and your Google account will be updated immediately. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you update your email password, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates.